I'm Lovelyn Patangi. I am 42 years old. What brought me into Dr. Tam's office, basically I was having the chronic headaches and I was trying to figure out who to go to and what treatment I needed, and my fiance John told me to go and check out Dr. Tam because he has helped him before in his car accident. So that's what I did. And when I first came here, he said, let's take some x-rays and see what's going on in your body. And so basically I had a compressed cervical vertebrae on my neck from my previous car accident in 2001. I also work in the hospital as a surgical tech, and repetitive movements from work has also caused me pain on my neck and my back and my lower back. So with that being said, I just had this chronic headache that wouldn't go away. I didn't know what to do. And when I came here, they showed me and told me what I needed to do, which was have like decompression. They had basically a plan for me, which was to come twice a week for 7 weeks. So when I first came, I had these chronic headaches that wouldn't go away. I went to Kaiser. They would only give me pain meds, told me to go to physical therapy, and I've taken those pain meds. Those pain meds weren't helping. Physical therapy, they wouldn't get back to me. So I really, really needed this taken care of. When I first started coming, which was in September 2021, we started off with the decompression machine. We also did laser on my neck, and we did the adjustments. Dr. Tan adjusted my back and my neck, and I also did Serapin shots, and I was coming here twice a week to do those for 7 weeks. And basically, my whole life has changed. Now I don't have chronic headaches. My back and my posture and everything that I was having ailments in has gone away. They also actually introduced us to vitamins and shakes that we take once a day, and those actually really did help too, to release all the toxins and all that. But yes, so basically Dr. Tam and his team has done a great job. You feel like you're part of the family. I feel like from when I started to now, because this is my last treatment basically, I feel like a new person. It's been a whole 180, and I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I came here. It's worth, it's just all around worth it for my livelihood, and now I get to go back to work. And I actually told them, I'm like, I love coming here, so hopefully I come at least like twice a month. But the team is great. You feel like family. They treat you like, you know, wonderful, and they always suggest anything that you need, and they're here for you. And I'm so thankful and grateful for them, and everyone's so sweet. So make sure you come here, and everyone take care.